well, this is the first day of my important job. I'm going to earn a lot of money. And I'm not going to make any mistakes. No siree. I'm going to watch what I'm doing. And I'm not, under any circumstances, going to press the wrong button. What did I just do? Ah! 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 I'll just write this little note, just in case someone is just as stupid as I am. I'll just place it, near the button. Phew, that was close. What was I doing again? Oh, yeah. That's right. Ah! I didn't do it! Hey, what's this? Whatever you do, do not press the big red button. Oh, I get it. Reverse psychology. Ha ha ha!